Okay, so if you saw my video on the train set, you saw that I had one transformer. One is gone. This is the newest of the two that we had. So I'm going to see if it's any good. So I thought I'd do a couple of checks here before I tried plugging it in. One is I'm going to check continuity from one of these terminals here to the case to see what, if any, sort of readings I get. I don't want if get shocked because something's shorted to the case here. And don't get anything there. Don't get anything there. Let's try a different point here. Nothing. Nothing. So I'm not getting anything, so either that case doesn't conduct where I had the leads, or it should be good. So I'm going to try plugging it in, see what happens. Give it the smoke test, as we used to say. Okay, I've got it plugged in, and I don't see any smoke rolling out. So let's turn the voltage up, see what it sounds like. I can feel, I don't hear any humming, but I can feel it vibrating a little bit. So I can feel that there's current flowing. Okay, so now let's measure, see what sort of voltage we're getting. So I'm going to put my voltmeter on AC because I'm pretty sure that's what these are, AC. And I'm going to check it with it all the way off, see what we get. Looks like I'm reading about 5.8 volts. With it all the way down. Yeah, I'm reading 9.5 volts with it on medium. Let's see what I read on high. Reading 12.9 volts on high, and it's got some writing. It's hard to see, but there's some writing. It says 7 to 13 volts to track. So apparently that's working. So now I'm going to clean up some track with some alcohol. That track is so corroded, it's pathetic. And then I'm going to see if that locomotive will run. Okay, I'm going to use some isopropyl alcohol because that's what I saw somebody else on YouTube use. I don't know how clean I'm going to be able to get this stuff. I don't even know if that will even do the job. Some people say don't use abrasive stuff because you take off the sort of a tin coating on there or something. I don't know. I don't see much of anything coming off. I've got some brasso I can use. It may or may not be advisable, but probably won't make it any worse than it is, because it's pretty bad now. So I'm sure you don't want to see me sitting here doing this. Oh, I was worried that I wasn't going to have a powered track, because there should be more than one, but I could only find one. Probably this piece probably broke off the other set and now is long gone. So anyways, I'll continue this later. Okay, so I got some track laid out here, and I cleaned it up. I don't know if it did a whole lot of difference. I mean, I got some tarnish off. The locomotive seems to be in pretty good shape. I went ahead and cleaned the wheels up and the contact down there, and I got some right or wrong, I got some electrical contact cleaner like you use for cleaning switches and rheostats and so forth, and I sprayed down in there on the brushes and that copper pad right there that's rotating. And I put a little lube on the gears, put some, let's see if it runs. Let me plug it in here. Let's see what we got. See if it runs. It hasn't operated since the early 80s, probably 81 or 82. Alright, here goes. Hey, we got power. It's backing up. Alright, I see the reversing unit and it works. Don't want to go too fast because I don't want it to fall off the bench. Looks like it's slowing down right there, probably not making good continuity on that track down there. Working pretty good though. Alright, let's hook some cars. Let's get a train going here. Okay, if you didn't see my original video where I first opened this in over 30-something years or longer. This is a Sears Allstate electric train set made by Marx. The model number was 09629, and these are the cars that it came with. The engine number is 1666. These are the original cars that it came with. An open car, a box car, and a caboose. I've seen sets that had a lot of variety of cars, so they must have put out quite a few versions of this. So anyways, let's see how it runs like this. Hey, I think I see some smoke. I swore I saw a puff of smoke coming out. I'll be darned, I see smoke coming out of there. I dang sure do. Don't tell me. It's probably where I dropped some of the lubricating oil on the wheels. It's made its way, and it's smoking. How about that? Alright, mission accomplished. I wanted to see it run again, and it does. It's in pretty decent shape. The track is tarnished, but all in all, the original configuration was a figure 8 with trestles. Like I said, if you didn't see the other video, now these switches is not part of the set. But it had these trestles, and I counted them. There's only one missing. There's one small size, about like that's missing for whatever reason. But other than that, everything else is there and working. So if you're interested, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.